Welcome back to my channel இயற்கை உணவு. Today I am going to show how to make boiled vegetables for weight loss. This is very easy and simple recipe can be made with seasonal vegetables. Chop the beans into large pieces and 3 carrots in large pieces and 1 bell pepper in large cubes. Handful of green peas. Take 100 grams of paneer cubed into small pieces and few cashew nuts. Half teaspoon corn flour, crushed garlic, small piece of cheese, 1 teaspoon coarsely crushed peppers, dry roast the cashews, 1 teaspoon of oil and fry the bell peppers. Transfer the fried bell peppers to a bowl. Now add small cube of cheese to the pan. Add the vegetables. Add the beans and carrot to the pan first. After 2 minutes, add the green peas. Crushed garlic into the pan. Add 2 cups of water to the pan. Cover the pan with the lid. Crushed peppers. Add some water to the corn flour and make it to a solution. Vegetables are half boiled. Now add the corn syrup, now add the paneer, cover the pan with the lid. Let the vegetables fully cook. And mix it well. The flame and cover it with the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the cashews. Vegetables are ready to eat.